This is the third of an 8-part series created to help machine shop leaders get the robot that's right for their operation. At first glance, all robots look to be about the same, but as you dig deeper, you begin to see the dramatic differences in the offerings. That's why we created this educational series. We want you to get the robot that's right for your operation. As you move through the process with us, if we aren't the right fit for your needs, we'll tell you that and recommend another robot brand. Nearly all of our customers come back and buy more robots. The last thing we want is an unhappy customer. Programming the robot is very different across different brands. For example, some companies say you don't have to program a robot. All you have to do is teach it the movements that it needs to make. That also means each time you add a new job, you've got to teach the robot new movements. Is this really the best use of your machinist's time? One of the things that has an impact on programming is your order pattern. We've had customers with cobots tell us that programming a robojob robot is much easier than programming their cobot. If your order pattern is high mix, low volume, you'll really want to dig deeper and ask the right questions about programming. If your machinist is going to frequently program the robot, simplicity and speed matter. Here are 7 key questions for programming robots. Number 1, how easy is it to learn how to program that robot? Number 2, is it possible to do it without any coding? Number 3, are you using a pendant or a console? Why does that matter? While you're programming, you can look at code or you can look at images. Which would you prefer? Question 4, is the programming Windows-based, icon-driven, and drag and drop? Why does this matter? That approach to programming is much easier to learn and more intuitive. Question number 5, are you programming the job or having to teach the robot movements as well as programming the job? That might seem like a small difference, but it's not. How much time does your machinist have to spend teaching the robot movements for different pieces? In high mix, low volume order cycles, that time adds up, and it leads to the next question. Number 6, how long does it take to program a job? And question number 7, can you store jobs and bring them up when they have to be run again? Programming a robot is one of the most critical elements in operating the robot. Digging deeper with these 7 key questions will help ensure that you get the robot that's right for your operation. To learn more, go to our website. Or you can call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to start the conversation. Robojob USA, first in CNC automation.